Hi, it's Dr. Ford, and this is your Week 7 walkthrough video. Our topics for this week are psychological disorders, as well as therapy and treatment. Let's look at our first fun and interesting stuff guide. Well, if you like watching Hank Green, he's got a lot of videos that cover psych disorders, so please check them out. I find his videos to be very interesting and fun to watch, although some people say he talks too fast, but I guess you can change that speed on your YouTube settings. Anyway, so we also have some special topics here. Many people like to discuss psychopathology, serial killers, criminal psychology, and the like. I've got a few video links if those are of interest to you. And in our other guide, guess what? Hank Green also has a couple of videos when it comes to therapy and treatment in psychology. And in this one, you'll get our career profiles. For example, it's helpful to know the difference between a therapist, a psychiatrist, and a psychologist. You can hear that discussion in this video, as well as some other specialty career paths, such as a psychologist who works with children and adolescents, and careers in health psychology and sports psychology. I have one special topic, and it's one that I happen to find that relates to sports psychology. So watch this video to learn 4 secrets from sports psychology that you can use in everyday life. Okay. So our homework this week is on psych disorders. So let's take a look at this real quick. So in this activity, you get to be the psychologist. You'll be presented with some brief case studies, aka scenarios, and you will make the most accurate diagnosis that you can based on the given information. I've got a link here to chapter 15 in case you need a little help. But the cases are all multiple choice, so you can select from 1 to 3 possible disorders, and each psychological disorder may only be selected once, so that also helps. Also, you may repeat this activity, as always, to improve your performance if needed. I wanted to note that we are done reading the textbook, so you do not have a foundations quiz this week. Also, there is no forum to complete this week. I wanted to give you a little less work because we've got 2 projects coming up, one this week and one next week. So I want you to focus on doing your best on project 2 this week and then the final project next week. Okay, the last assignment that you have to work on this week is project 2. And of course, that's where you should be focusing your time, as I just said. So let's take a look here. I'm not going to really talk about this project here because, as you can see at this link here, I do have a video that you can watch. Okay, that's it for this week, but I do want to remind you to reach out to me if you have any questions. No question is a dumb question. All questions are good, and I'm here to help you. I know this is an online class and it may seem like I'm not really here, but I am. I'm in my office grading all of your work, giving you feedback, and answering your questions over email. I want you all to finish strong in general psychology. All right, that's it. Have a great week.